Marci McFadden, Chief of Communications for the Monterey Peninsula Unified School District. We're at Monterey High, where the last beam was installed on the new Science and Innovation Center. This center will open in the fall and feature science labs, flexible classrooms, collaborative space, and an outdoor plaza with an exhibition area. Student Kelly Harvell, under the leadership of Monterey High teacher Jason Nicholson, investigated the impact of climate change on the ocean environment. She presented at the county and state science and engineering fairs and will be published in the prestigious Journal of Emerging Investigators. Marina Vista Elementary Arts Academy celebrated Acts of Kindness Week, and students engaged in various kindness acts, including writing notes on cards for peers. It's transitional kindergarten and kindergarten roundup time. Our TK and kinder tours are still underway. Missed a tour date? You're still welcome to come and see the exciting programs and activities for our littlest learners. Don't delay. Register your child today. This is your MPUSD Minute.